So, I have kids, dogs, people that come over, and I got some stains and spots on my couch. So, we're gonna clean it today with this bad boy. So this is the Hoover vacuum cleaner. The link will be in the bio. This isn't sponsored. And this is Hoover Deep Clean Max Expert Grade Cleaner. So we're gonna get the spots off, clean this fabric couch, and I'm gonna show you how I do it. But first, let's vacuum it off. We did just buy this vacuum cleaner for our anniversary. It was like 70 bucks at Home Depot. And so far it's been pretty good. Like I said, we have dogs, so our other one just kind of crapped out after like 6 years, which is not too bad. And by the way, this is the Burrow Nomad sectional. If you're looking for a review on it, I've got it. Check out the link in the bio. And it's a pretty great couch. But there are a few things you should know, so go check that video out after this one. Alrighty, so we have some stains here on the this middle thing, and we have some marks, some like, I don't even know what this is, like a watermark on this side too. So we got that, and then we also had these two spots in the front of it. It's just some kind of water stain and then a hot sauce stain. There are a couple spots on the couch, but first here, we're going to put the stuff in this bad boy. We got the solution tank on this side, press this button, and you open it up. And remember, this is my first time actually doing this. My wife told me briefly, like 10 seconds, yesterday how to do it. So we got lines here, I'm gonna fill it up to here, and then put the solution in. All right, so we got that filled up to about the line. The soap is like kind of higher. I also filled it up with warm water because my wife told me to do that. And then she said to just pour some of it in here. She didn't really give me too much direction. She said about 4 of the tops. So I'm just gonna kind of guesstimate. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe that's enough. 2 shots. So we got that. You just close it up there. And then, I don't, shit. And then we got that. Plug this bad boy in. Then there's a pressing the button here. Well, before I turn that on, I'm gonna be spraying with this button here. It sprays the couch, and then we're gonna let it soak for a little bit, and then we suck all the stuff up. All right, so we got that sprayed. Now we're just gonna give it a minute to sit, and then we'll start vacuuming it up. And while we're waiting, hat's all dirty. I'm finishing this wall up here. You can see some of it's wet. And this is for the home extension that we're currently sitting in. If you're interested in how I built this whole thing by myself, doesn't it look awesome? Then you can check out the whole playlist. So it's pretty fun. Took me all the summer by myself. And you can look at the financial breakdowns and stuff like that. So let's get back into the vacuum stuff. Alrighty, now we waited for a minute. We're going to turn this on and vacuum. Let's look at this. So this is the first pass. You can kind of see the outline still here. Obviously it's wet. You can still see that, of course. And then on this side, you can barely see that here. So my wife did say it might take a couple times to get some of that off. So I'm gonna spray it again and let it sit a little bit longer and try again. If not, I might need to get some extra spot remover for that. I think that little red spot is hot sauce that I dropped last week. So we'll try to get that up. I'm not too worried about the other stuff getting up though. So let's get the rest of the couch and get this thing up. This is cleaned. This is still wet. This is still a little bit damp though too, so still needs to dry. We can tell the difference. When you're pushing down with this bad boy, make sure you press hard or it's not gonna suck it up. It's kind of a workout to do. All right, so I sucked up all the soap. You can see there, it's still a little bit wet. You can still see the red spot there, so I doubt that's gonna come up, but we're gonna actually let it dry, and then I'm gonna get back to you in 1 second. One thing I forgot to mention is the clean water is here, and then the dirty water goes over there. Look at that, it's disgusting. Remember, I had it filled up to like here, and that's... Welcome to the next day. It is the morning, and let me show y'all the stain over here. So here's the little red mark, and then here's the after of that stain that was here. So that's gone. And then come over here, and there was that like water stain kind of thing. That's gone as well. It does look like it's a little dirty right here. That I can wash up some more. So we're gonna touch that spot up in a second, but I did want to mention that these cushions here on the Burrow couch are removable. So there's a zipper here, you can take it off, you can remove it like that, and then it's just the memory foam in there. Then you can see the rest of the couch. It took a while to dry. It was at nighttime, and I finally sat on the couch, and it was good. So I guess it just depends how good you get soak up the stuff. So for the stain, where did I put the stain stuff? For that red stain, which I think I mentioned is hot sauce, I have this stain treater. I've never used it on here, but this is what my wife said, so I'm gonna try that right here. And there's the spot over here that I saw. So we got that sprayed on. We'll let that rest for a second, and then we'll clean with the sprayer thing again. So 1 sec. All right, it's been just a couple minutes. All right, now we wait for a couple more minutes. All right, and now wait a couple minutes and let's soak it up. Alrighty, so got that up, but I can definitely still see the red here. So I think what I'm gonna do is brush it a little bit. Alrighty, I did a few more sprays with the stain remover. I can definitely still see the red mark. We'll wait until it dries and see how it looks. And then I'll give y'all some final thoughts on the vacuum, so stay tuned. Hey yo, welcome back to the next day. It's been like 2 days since I started this. Here is the stain on the couch. See it from there? It does look a little dark here, but the red is still right there. Stuff is everywhere in here since the kids are playing and stuff. So we almost had it all gone, but I think it might take another time or two to get it. If you have any tips on how to get hot sauce out of a couch, let me know in the comments. I know this video is about cleaning the couch, but I don't have all the answers on cleaning, but this cleaner right here does a good job. Spotless Self Clean Hoover. Here's all the dirty water that it got out. Here's the remainder. There's a link in the bio, so go check that out, and the cleaner as well. But overall, I think this cleaner has helped us a ton to keep it clean with kids, with dogs, and it helps the couch stay fresh and crispy. Sorry, I couldn't be more helpful with the little hot sauce stain. It is almost gone though, so that's a plus. And the water stain that was on here is gone, and that other stain that's on here is gone as well. So everything is pretty awesome. So I appreciate y'all watching. Make sure you hit me in the comments. Let me know how to do better cleaning. So go check out the next video, and I'll see you over there, and I'll see you out there. See you later. I'm really fucking with all of your energy. Highly pursued, but I don't let it get to me. They say the start of us might be the